Hello, good afternoon. My name is Alma Castillo, and for the last portion of this morph, I would like to talk about Bloom's taxonomy and why it is important. It is a helpful resource for teachers to understand the objectives of the class teaching. It encourages the student to make decisions and improve their critical thinking. First thing you need to know is to consider the level of your students, and once you meet with them, you will learn about their skills and strengths. It will be easy to determine what strategies can be useful as you plan your lesson. Now let's go over the levels of Bloom's taxonomy. The lowest level is remember. In this level, students can duplicate, can list, can memorize, and repeat facts and basic concepts. The next level is understand. In this level, students can classify, describe, discuss, explain, identify, and explain ideas or concepts. The next level is apply. In this level, students will be able to implement, solve, use, demonstrate, and interpret information in new situations. The next level is analyze. In this level, students can organize, relate, compare and contrast, distinguish, and draw connections among ideas. Next level is evaluate. In this level, students can argue, defend, select, support, judge, value or critique, and justify a stand or decision. And the highest level is create. In this level, students can design, construct, develop, formulate, and produce new and original work. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.